a controversy around the Citizenship Amendment Act. Now, days after the centre has rolled out the first set of certificates under the Citizenship Amendment Act, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has called this, quote-unquote, an orchestrated lie. She said that this is staged like a drama, like the Sandesh Khali incident, and has warned voters in Bengal that if they apply for CAA, they will be tagged as foreigners. BJP National President JP Nadda has hit out on Mamata Banerjee and called her intentions dubious. He claimed that Mamata Banerjee has compromised with the nation for vote bank and has also said that Mamata's Trinamool Congress is providing shelter to infiltrators. JP Nadda claims that Mamata Banerjee does not have a stable mind. The question then arises is, why exactly does the West Bengal Chief Minister feel that CAA and the certificates that are being given under it are a lie, even after the centre claims that it has now kept up with its promise of 2019 of handing out citizenship certificates under the new act? Before we move forward with this discussion, let's quickly listen in to what Mamata Banerjee said and what was JP Nadda's response.
इनको दिख गया है कि इनके हाथ से बात निकल रही है, तो यह जो इन्होंने जो जिन लोगों को प्रोटेक्शन दिया है उनके मन में डर पैदा करके वोट लेने की कोशिश है। इससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है। मैं ये साफ कह रहा हूं कि ये सब एंटी नेशनल, देश के साथ गद्दारी करके हर कुछ हो सकता है वो करने का ये प्रयास कर रहे हैं। CAA किसी को बाहर से आने वाले को नहीं देना है। ये ममता समझती नहीं है क्या? ममता इतनी अनपढ़ है क्या? नहीं, समझदार है, जानती है, लेकिन वहां के लोग जो भोले भाले हैं और अनजान हैं उनको गुमराह करने की।
So there you heard it. That was JP Nadda's response. I want to bring in Anubrata Roy of the TMC into the conversation because it is his party chief who has now stirred this controversy with her comments. Anubrata Roy, why does Mamata Banerjee think CAA or the certificates given under it are a lie?
First of all, good evening. Good afternoon. Sorry. The whole CAA and this with its counterpart NRC has been a literal bluff and lies throughout by the BJP and the NDA-led government. Since 2019, we have been seen this fiasco going on with CAA and NRC, that Amit Shah is giving a chronology that NRC will happen after CAA, or CAA will happen before NRC, and the contradiction of different BJP leaders of that CAA will give foreigners citizenship, like those who are being tortured in Pakistan or in Bangladesh or in other neighboring South Asian countries. Those will be given citizenship in India because of torture by their already existing religion. But the problem is, the BJP leaders are only contradicting their own statements.
No, what is the contradiction, Mr. Roy? When we talk about the certificates being handed out, how is it a lie? I asked a very simple, straight question. Mamata Banerjee is coming out and making a big statement that CAA is a drama and it's a lie. 14 certificates have been handed out in person. Almost 300 certificates have been sent out via email of citizenship. How is this a lie? Explain that to me. I'm not talking about CAA and the promise of NRC. That's a separate matter. Today, the Bharatiya Janata Party has handed out citizenship certificates to nearly 300 people. What is the lie here?
So the lie is the contradiction of statements within the BJP leaders.
What is the contradiction?
Let me finish. Assam Chief Minister Hemanta Biswa Sharma has been very vocal against CAA from the day one, and the people of Assam has been very vocal against CAA. Assam BJP has been against CAA for the inception of CAA. They have been vocal for NRC, but not CAA. But on the other hand, the North Indian leaders have been vocal for CAA because they want CAA. And those 300 people you're talking about, who are those 300 people? Are they from Pakistan? Are they from Bangladesh? Are they from other South Asian countries? Are they from already inside India? Or they have been living before 2000? They have been entered India.
Anubrata Roy, there are clear guidelines as to who can be given a citizenship certificate in India under CAA. Has the TMC tried to read those guidelines?
Everyone has everyone knows the guidelines and all this stuff.
No, no. What are the guidelines? You tell me. You're asking me, are these people who've been, are these people living in India? Obviously, they're living in India for many years. The CA guidelines say that you have to be living in India for a certain number of years before you can apply for the citizenship.
December 2040 will be given citizenship.
Yes.
That is the state. Those same BJP leaders have been saying that no, everyone will be given citizenship. Everyone who have been tortured in Pakistan or in Bangladesh have been given citizenship regardless of 2014.
But your question to the BJP has not been inconsistency, right? Your question is not inconsistency. Your chief minister is saying that CA is a lie, and the moment you apply, you will be tagged as a foreigner, and after the elections, you'll be put in jail.
This is a clear-cut line because every BJP leader is contradicting this CA amendment because they have issued a whole lot of guidelines.
Who is Mamata Banerjee appealing to when she makes this statement? Because as per the opposition, the CA is anyway against Muslims, right? That's what the opposition parties feel in India. That CA is not for the Muslims. It is for minorities in other countries.
No opposition party, not even Trinamool Congress, not even me is saying that citizenship, no one should be given citizenship, everyone should get citizenship. No one should.
No. I'm saying, who are you targeting when you make a statement that you should not be applying for CAA because this is all a garb for the government to get your information and to put you in jail? Who is the government putting in jail? Because the opposition says that the government is pandering to Hindus, Sikhs, and other minorities and keeping out the Muslims away from the purview of Citizenship Amendment Act. So, are you telling the people? Are you telling the Hindus, Sikhs, Christians, Parsis, Buddhists that they will be put in jail by the government, by the same government who you say panders to these communities?
BJP has been misguiding some Mutua community. There is a community called Mutua community who have been misguided by BJP because Mutua community has been given citizenship way before BJP government. Look, I am giving you an example. Like I'm wearing this glass. I have a power of 2.5 negative. So the Mutua community has been wearing this glass for years. But BJP is been saying that no, you should give away this glass. I'm giving you the same glass, but when you are not getting this, you will be seeing naked eye. So BJP is only giving the same glass to Mutua community while they are already had that glass wearing since their inception in India of their community.
Okay, I want to bring in Mr. Pratim Bose. Mr. Pratim Bose, do you make any sense of the comments that are being made by the TMC at this point in time?
See, first of all, Ms. Banerjee is under tremendous pressure in this election. TMC's counter to CAA was to spread a fear. That was on a single fact. CAA is an instrument to regularize someone's stay in the country. It was not about throwing someone out of the country. But in West Bengal, there is a factory and it has been running from last 30, 40 years or more to make, people are coming, tortured people from Bangladesh side are coming. That is a reality. We know, close, I cannot for, someone else say, I cannot give those names, but they are around me. Maybe they are serving me. They are my drivers or these or that. They came 3 years ago, 4 years ago. And the factory here is that they will depend on these local political, I should say, goons. Okay? These are basically local leaders, ruling party, and they will create false identities for them. So there is no recognition of the fact that this fellow has been living here, has been from Bangladesh. And this particular factory has to shut down, partially after this CAA. Secondly, the CAA has, I'm sure they will come out with more regulations, more notifications. People are suffering like anything because of false identities. I have written it in my book. I have written in my blog and I have written in newspaper how my mother had to live on fake identity and how it created a problem. my friend who has been a news editor in a national media had to live on fake identity, and today he cannot go and visit her daughter in USA, who is an American citizen, because he doesn't have a passport. There is a
Right.
problem. So there will be more. There has to be people are waiting for more regulations for the regularization of these things. This is a serious problem that is over here. If the CAA comes in, these things will be regularized, and that is the fear.
Okay. Right. Before I bring in Anubrata Roy back into the conversation, I want our viewers to listen in to the actual beneficiaries that we have also spoken to. The fact that Mr. Pratim Bose is stating here that regularization was needed, and he's speaking from personal experience, you'll be able to hear more such voices who've actually benefited from the certificates, and these are people that we have spoken to ourselves. Listen in.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। सबसे पहले हमें मिला था।
हाँ, सबसे पहले आपको मिला है।
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
तो आपने कब अप्लाई किया था इसके लिए, नागरिकता के लिए?
वैसे तो जब से आए तब से करते जा रहे हैं। इसको होते 1 महीना हो गया। 13 तारीख को हमारा जैसे इंटरव्यू बोला के दे सेंड, और जैसे 24 घंटे में मेरा को जो ये मिला।
अच्छा।
हमें पता नहीं था कि हमें नागरिकता मिले। हमने बोला कि सेंड होगा।
अच्छा, तो आप अकेले गई थी या परिवार के साथ गई थी लेने?
मेरे पापा और मैं, मेरी बेटी छोटी।
अच्छा, सब लोग गए थे। तो कितना बदलाव अब आपको लग रहा है कि जिंदगी में आने वाला है, क्योंकि अभी तक बिना नागरिकता के आप लोग भारत में रह रहे थे। आपने बताया आपको कितने साल हो गए भारत में?
2013
से आप यहाँ रह रही हैं। काफी साल, मतलब लगभग 10 साल से ज्यादा हो गए आपको यहाँ रहते हुए। तो क्या लग रहा है कि अब नागरिकता मिलने के बाद क्या कुछ बदलाव आ जाएगा?
बस हमारे बच्चे पढ़ लिख जाएंगे, और हमारी तो जिंदगी बन नहीं सकती, नौकरी तो बन जाएगी जिंदगी। और हम पहले पाकिस्तानी बोला जाता, अब तो पाकिस्तानी नहीं बोला जाएगा, अब बोलेंगे इंडियन,
भारतीय है।
हाँ, भारतीय।
तो पाकिस्तान का आपने जिक्र किया, तो क्या रहा पाकिस्तान में, कब आप रही हैं और क्या कुछ हालात थे जब आप पाकिस्तान में थी तब?
हालात तो बहुत बुरे थे। जैसे होली दिवाली वैसे मनाते नहीं थे हम, बाहर घर में मना लेते थे, और खेती बाड़ी करते थे। वहाँ पे नौकरी वगैरह नहीं करते।
अच्छा।
हाँ, खेती बाड़ी का काम करते हैं।
तो जिस तरीके से आपने जिक्र किया त्योहार नहीं मना पाती थी, तो क्या पूजा पाठ का भी, क्योंकि हम देखते हैं यहाँ पर आप लोगों ने मंदिर बना रखे हैं छोटे छोटे से, आप लोग बैनर लगा रखे हैं, पोस्टर भगवान जी के लगा रखे हैं, तो यहाँ पर आप खुल के जो चाहते हैं वो कर पाते हैं। तो जब पाकिस्तान में थे तो किस तरीके से परिस्थिति जो थी वो थी, क्योंकि आपने जिक्र किया त्योहार नहीं मना पा रही थी?
बस बाहर वहाँ पे मुस्लिम ज्यादा है, जैसे यहाँ पे।
तो क्या कुछ होता था? कुछ
बस वैसे महंगाई है, ये है अभी भी महंगाई है, इतना तो हमें मालूम नहीं है, वैसे बोलते हैं। अच्छा। मालूम नहीं है इतना।
तो जब सर्टिफिकेट मिला है तो भारत सरकार से कुछ कहना चाहेंगी, क्योंकि बहुत लंबा इंतजार है, आज ऐसा एक सपना जैसा पूरा हुआ है आप लोगों के लिए?
बस भारत सरकार से ये मेरे हाथ जोड़ के विनती, क्योंकि हमें नागरिकता दी गई, और मोदी को भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कहती हूँ, कि पहले मोदी जी को धन्यवाद कहती हूँ, और मेरा वोट मोदी जी को जाए।
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है हमें, जो हमें नागरिकता मिली है 10 सालों के बाद, जैसे हम यहाँ आज के कहला रहे हैं। हाँ। बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, हमें बहुत खुशी हो रही है, हमें नागरिकता मिली है, और हम धन्यवाद मोदी जी को करना चाहते हैं जो आज हमें नागरिकता दी, उसको हमारा धन्यवाद।
लक्ष्मी जी, कुछ बताइए, कब आई थी भारत में कब आई थी पाकिस्तान से, और किस तरीके का जो सफर है वो अभी तक का रहा आपका?
ट्रेन में आए थे हम।
अच्छा।
2014 में।
2014 में आई थी।
हाँ।
अच्छा। तो वहाँ की क्या परिस्थितियाँ थी? क्या पूरा परिवार एक साथ यहाँ आ गया था या फिर आप पहले आई थी? क्या हुआ था?
कोई हमारा परिवार नहीं आया था। अच्छा। कोई 1-2 आ गए थे। हमें वहाँ अच्छा नहीं लगता था, हम आज़ादी से घूम नहीं सकते थे, कभी बाहर नहीं निकल सकते थे, उसकी वजह से हम यहाँ आ गए।
अच्छा।
मुसलमानों के डर से हम कहीं बाहर नहीं जाते थे, जैसे हमें किसी चीज़ की आज़ादी नहीं थी, इसीलिए हमने बोला हमारे हिंदुस्तान में जाएंगे, यहीं जाके अपनी से जिएंगे, अपनी तरह से जिएंगे।
और अब जब भारत आप लौट आई 2014 से, अब लगभग 10 साल से ज़्यादा हो चुका है भारत में, तो किस तरीके का लग रहा था? क्या कुछ कमी लग रही थी जब नागरिकता नहीं थी? क्या कुछ आप लोग किस बेनिफिट्स थे जो आपको नहीं मिल पा रहे थे?
हाँ, जैसे कि बाहर निकलते तो कुछ मांगते थे, ये वो पाकिस्तानी ये। अब आज हम यहाँ नागरिकता मिल गई है हमको, तो आज हम यहीं के कहलाएंगे। कोई हमें कुछ ऐसा नहीं मांग सके। आज हम भारत में यहाँ।
You've heard both Yashoda and Lakshmi, who've been the first beneficiaries of the Citizenship Amendment certificates that have been now granted to their families, and both of them say that earlier they were labelled as Pakistanis, but today they can proudly say that they're citizens of India. Dr. Shatrupa of the BJP also joining us on the broadcast. Dr. Shatrupa, the TMC says that there is a lot of confusion being created within the BJP and its leaders itself, that that statements of different chief ministers are inconsistent, and therefore they are not sure of what the plans of the BJP are. How do you respond to that? Dr. Shatrupa, if you can, we can't hear you, ma'am. You'll have to unmute yourself.
I am unmuted.
Yes, we can. Now we can hear you. Go ahead.
I'm saying I can't see the studio, so I have no idea what's happening that side. All I can tell you is that our stand on CAA has been made very clear by the Honorable Home Minister himself. And we've always been saying that the citizenship is the CAA is a Citizenship Amendment Act. So there's no way that anybody's citizenship is getting cancelled, and there has been no mention of any the West Bengal Chief Ministers going on record in public meetings saying that we are opening up detention camps and everybody's citizenship will get cancelled. It's utter nonsense. Our Chief Minister is full of she's a compulsive liar. And she's just saying this so that people don't vote for us. When I was getting in online, I heard a female voice. I don't know who the person is. She's obviously very delighted that she's been granted citizenship. This is what is going to happen. Years together, people who have crossed the border in search of their sanity. They've come in refuge. They've come as a refugee to save their religion, to save themselves, to save their property from the incredible the communalism that they've had to face, the religious intolerance of the border countries, towards them the religious persecution that they've had to face. So when they have come to India, the governments before us have completely denied them any kind of status.
Yes.
They have been made to live as a refugee, with no status, with no facilities, with no privileges that an Indian citizen gets.
Okay.
So that is where the Modi government has come in, and Amit Shah ji, under the direction of Narendra Damodar Das Modi, the Honorable Prime Minister of India, we have opened this app. You just have to enlist your name, and without any kind of documentation,
Okay.
as long as you tell us the date where you have crossed over, you are automatically granted citizenship. Having said this, let me assure you that the people who are not being able to apply for this, they may go through the normal, the three conditions of citizenship that we have, but this app is specifically for people who have crossed the border to save themselves, their own religion and their property.
Okay, Anubrata Roy wants to come in there. Anubrata Roy, you've heard Dr. Shatrupa's explanation of what really is that is on offer as far as CA is concerned. How does the TMC respond to that?
Ma'am, Devika Chopra, I want to show a clipping. Okay, can I show it?
Clipping of what, sir?
It's a clipping of Amit Shah 5 years ago. Same election, same general election. It was around April 4th. I want to show it.
No, sir. What is in the clip? You can just explain to us.
So it was in around 23rd April 2019. That was CAB. But that CAA wasn't passed at that time.
Yes.
Amit Shah has been said that first we will bring Citizenship Amendment Bill. Then it will be passed to make Citizenship Amendment Act. Then NRC will come. Then NRC, then will be voters or citizens will be excluded via NRC. So what is this scenario going on? First you will bring CA, then you will bring NRC, then you will exclude citizenship, then you will create a fiasco. Why is this happening?
But Mr. Roy, is the problem with CA or the problem with NRC? Because NRC has not come in yet, has not come into force yet.
First CA will be implemented, then NRC will come.
So that's the fear of the TMC, and that's the fear that the TMC is tapping into.
I want to ask, when you are telling everyone that you don't need to fear about citizenship, you will be here for a while. You are Indian, and that's all. Why you will bring NRC then? Shouldn't be NRC
The
come first?
purpose of CA and NRC are completely different. Pratim Bose wants to come in there.
It's not completely. It has been a purely utter.
I do. Assuming, for a moment, I am agreeing with Mr. Anubrata. The point is very clear. Why you are telling CA a lie?
CA is
No,
a
that
lie
is-
because NRC.
See, no,
NRC is
is
happening after that. The point
Mr.
is-
Anubrata Roy, the question that he's asking
I
is,
agree with
why
you,
are
but
you...
why you are telling? Then CA is a fact, is it?
No,
If
it's
you are,
not-
then
look,
you are
look,
afraid.
I am not at all opposing
No,
CA, but
the
it
Chief
is
Minister
already
says
contradicting-
CA is a lie.
Look,
Is it? Where is
you
it
have
lie?
been already, you have
It's a
already
legal
mentioned that CA is a
fact.
tool, right? You have already mentioned that CA is a tool. So why
You
are
are
you
shifting the
taking that tool
goalpost. You
via
are
NRC?
shifting the goalpost.
Why are you
Mr. Anubrata Roy,
CA was a
the
lie.
problem,
First
Mr.
place.
Anubrata Roy, the problem is with CAA or is the problem with NRC, or is the problem that now because CAA certificates have been granted, therefore NRC is the next step?
For the last 5 years, the opposition has been repeatedly telling that they have no problem with CA. But after CA, the NRC is coming in place, coming in picture. So why are you giving NRCA certificates before NRC? Why shouldn't you doing NRC first, then come CA? We are not at all. We are not opposing this whole that you are only giving certain communities and stuff. There are
Can't
communities
make head or
within
tail
that.
out of the other.
I'm going to bring back Anubrata Roy and Pratim Bose into the conversation. Dr. Shatrupal, I'll be coming to you in just a moment from now as well. Pratim Bose has raised a pertinent question to Anubrata Roy. Anubrata Roy, the question is very simple. If you have a problem with NRC, focus on that issue. Why would you go and tell voters that do not apply for the citizenship amendment for your citizenship under CAA, because you will not be granted the same, you will be tagged as a foreigner, and after the elections you will be put in jail? Is this not misinformation?
First of all, NRC has come into Assam, and that is as per Assam Accord that was signed way back, and it was as per the court order. It was monitored by the court, and Assam has a different citizenship.
The issue in Assam
Please. There is
One
no
second, Mr.
NRC
Anubrata
in
Roy, hold
India
on.
because
It's a
for
national issue.
NRC there has to be a national register first. So it is not there. Now you
The
are
national-
talking about something. It's like why we are talking about NRC, which is nowhere near. We need a citizenship register. Of course, we need. Don't you want your country to have, every citizen, anyone just can come and say that I am a citizen, doesn't make it a citizen. And that is as per the 1955 Act. So let us not digress from there. I mean,
Can
why
I- can I-
call it
can-
CAA?
Okay, Anubrata Roy respond, then I'm going to bring in Dr. Shatrupal as well.
Okay, initially I gave you an example about my spectacles, about glasses. Like you already have the glasses, but you are taking it out, and again you are putting it back. But my point is, while you are, my point is, you are doing CA, you are giving certificates outright. Okay. Again, same leaders have been saying we will do NRC after that, we will do this after that, we will do that after that. Why are you contradicting your own fact when you have the old?
How are they
guidelines
contradicting
here?
Anubrata Roy? They have not even spoken about NRC yet.
Because they are not even sure about CA first. Because
How are they not sure? They've given the certificates, and these certificates are
They have
given by the
given- initially
center.
they have given
These are not
certificates to 300
state-wise
people.
decisions.
What
Each
were
state-
they doing 5 years ago? It is a 5-year.
Sir,
long
it was
period.
announced in 2019. There was a protest for 1.5 years. I'm assuming you've forgotten that period, after which there was a health crisis across the world. There was COVID-19. What do you mean? What
After
were they
the
doing
health
5 years
crisis-
ago?
After the health crisis, everything normalized around 2022. Why are you doing this during the election time?
So that's the
Why are
problem,
you
right?
creating-
That's what I'm saying.
Yes,
The TMC
right
is not
now.
being able to. The TMC is not being able to explain what problem it has. It's
How
through
are you going
conversation.
to
It's
explain?
through my
Who are
conversation
we?
that
Are we
you
the
keep
central
bringing
government?
up
Are we
new
the
problems.
central
Now
government?
you're
Are we
saying,
going to say-
now
explain
you are
what is
saying the
CA,
problem
what
is that the
NRC, what is
certificates
this?
have been
The
given
central
during
government
election
leaders
time.
cannot explain this.
Mr. Anubrata Roy, now
whole
you're
fiasco.
saying
Who are we? Who are we? We
Mr.
are only
Anubrata
opposing-
Roy,
how-
you are now
how-
saying
how-
that...
how-
Mr.
you are
Roy,
not-
please let me
you
complete,
are not
sir.
explaining
Do
that.
not continue to speak over me. You are now saying that your problem is that certificates are being given during election time. Yes or no?
Yes, why are you doing
Dr.
this?
Shatrupa, please respond to that. Dr. Shatrupa, please respond to that. That this is,
You know,
the
firstly-
TMC now says this is an election gimmick.
Firstly, if I'm having a very difficult time trying to see what's happening that side, and then you have somebody who doesn't even know the subject. He's got no idea of what to say. He has got no idea of the language. And exactly like his leader, he's trying to change the goalpost in vain, because he's got absolutely, he's not talking a bit of sense. All I can say is that CA has been on our manifesto for a very long time, and we have been trying to work out the modalities of CA. You cannot just introduce the operational part of a law. One takes it. We are not Trinamool. We are not as senseless as Mamata Banerjee is. When we do something, we do it in a way that it cannot be undone. Now, having said that, we had opened the app way before the elections were announced. Now, it is not our fault that Trinamool goes and talks nonsense and spreads lies about this. So therefore, the entry into the app is being hindered because of the lies that Mamata Banerjee is spreading. And so therefore, if we are giving certificates, it has got absolutely nothing to do with the elections. A country which goes for elections does not stop functioning. We have an MCC in place. There are certain restrictions in the Model Code of Conduct, but this does not come into those restrictions. So if, what is his name, Anubrata Roy, wants to again, deliver cock and bull stories like his chief minister and like his crazy leader, he's most welcome to do that. But I think he's wasting national space because he can't even express himself properly.
Okay, Anubrata Roy, respond to that.
Okay, can you, I have already mentioned the statement of Amit Shah 5 years ago. You haven't replied
Why
to
don't
that.
you talk about the current one?
Why are you
Instead
only-
of
you
going
have
back
said
5
that things
years?
cannot be
Why
undone.
don't you
You
talk
have already
about the
said things
current
cannot
one?
be undone.
Okay.
You do not
Can you-
want
All right, I'm going to
to
request
you
both
do
the
not
guests to
know
stop
what to do.
screaming. 1 second, please just stop screaming. I don't know what just happened. Anubrata Roy, yes, you've mentioned the statement 5 years ago where yes, there was a lot of charcha about chronology, samjhiye, pehle CA aayega, phir NRC aayega, but what is the point of the TMC? Do they have a problem with CA right now because they fear that this will be followed by the NRC? But that's not what Mamata Banerjee has said, right? She's gone in her rally and she said that CA is a lie. It's an orchestrated lie. Don't apply for it.
Look, you have to get the whole context here. The whole context is 5 years ago, Amit Shah has already explained his chronology. The context starts from there, 5 years ago. So you have to say, Dr. Satarupa only said that things cannot be undone. Can you undone this?
Undo what, Ms. Anubrata Roy?
He doesn't even
That
understand
chronology
what we are
explained by
talking.
Amit
He's
Shah.
got no idea.
But Mr.
What idea? What idea? Amit Shah only explained the chronology that CA will happen. That time
But
CA
then
will-
what happened
CA
after
will-
5 years?
CA
After
will
we
pass,
modulated
become
everything?
CA, then will happen NRC.
Have you
What do
heard
think
the
that
latest
said that?
interview? Have you
Okay.
heard the latest interview? Or you are so
I don't look.
throwing
Why
lies?
are
Say
you
you don't know.
contradicting
That
your
is your
statement?
problem.
All right,
Why are
I'm
you
going to,
contradicting your
okay, I'm
particular
running out of
statement?
time. Mr. Pratim Bose, last word to you, sir. As far as the chronology of events is concerned, and given the track record of the current government, will this be an issue that will resonate with the voters? The fact that some certificates, yes, have been granted at this point in time during an election cycle, does this then come across as an election gimmick, or is the opposition in fact highlighting it further by mentioning it in rallies?
No, this is a real issue in West Bengal, but it is slightly different or distinctly different from those Pakistani guys living there. In West Bengal, things have gone wrong because of this factory of making false voters. So, but people want to be regularized. They want to be regular citizens of the country. And I know personally that there are a lot of interest, but people are waiting for things, and which generally happens once it starts rolling, then the government finds some more loopholes, this or that. They keep on adding to the notifications, and then things get regularized. But people are ready. They were afraid because this state government, I mean, Mamata Banerjee is the ruling, so they are spreading that fear in people that this will happen or that will happen. So that is why people are a little cagey. Now that the certificates have been issued, definitely it makes some impact somewhere. So that is where the fear is, and that is why she has gone so berserk about it. That
Okay,
is-
all right. That's all the time that I have. I thank all of our panelists for joining us to take this particular discussion forward.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.